Welcome. Today we're diving into a quick and easy tutorial on how to speed up voice messages on WhatsApp web using a simple keyboard shortcut. This new update makes managing voice messages faster and more convenient, so let's get started. First, open WhatsApp web on your PC. You can do this by heading to your browser and typing in the URL web.whatsapp.com. Log in by scanning the QR code with your phone, and you'll be ready to go. Next, navigate to the chat where the voice message you want to listen to is located. Once you've entered the chat, find the voice message and click on the play button to start playing it. Now here's the trick. While the voice message is playing, press Shift+ on your keyboard. This shortcut will instantly increase the playback speed of the voice message. You can use this method to save time and get through lengthy messages quickly. That's it. With just a few simple steps, you can speed up voice messages on WhatsApp web effortlessly. This feature is perfect for anyone looking to streamline their communication experience. Thank you for tuning in, and enjoy using this handy shortcut.